What's up, guys? It's your buddy MRevDude499, and today I'm reacting to this video titled LA Bureau Sanitation Garbage Trucks of August 14th, 2020 by Erik Alfaro Productions. Erik has had a reaction video or two along the duration of this series, and I figured it would only be fair before this series kicks the dust in a couple of months when I run out of videos to record for it. It was just so long. That he would get his final reaction, of course, too. So, there's actually two videos I'm going to be reacting to. There's this video, which is 7 minutes 22 seconds, and there's a segment of another video, which I actually recorded before this. So, if I get the two mixed up, oh well. Probably shouldn't have recorded the other video before this, but I had time, so let's go ahead and do this video. Why not? I always have liked Erik's intro. It's cool. August 14th, 2020. 36144. This truck has been on Erik's route for a little while now. It replaced a dual fuel. Uh-oh, somebody's got termites in the background. Well, not anymore, but I really want to film one of these LNG ellipticals from LA. I've tried going to East Valley to find one, and the first time I was there, we actually did find one. However, I found a diesel that was like revving really hard, so I ditched the elliptical, which I don't regret that decision. Still, it would be nice to be able to film one of these. I've always thought the rev was cool. Here's a 520. These 520s, when they're newer, are always nice. Because they move really good. Oh, that was a good lid flip, okay. This is a bit more violent than I was expecting. If I ever came across that truck, I would not mind filming that at all. Uh-oh. Oh well, who cares? The packer on this truck ought to be really quick in order to be keeping up with this like it is. Would love to see a hopper camera of that. But not a lot of companies are safe with hopper cams. Oops, times two. Great. Who cares? Alright. How long is the bag gonna stay on the speed? Oh, it got off. How about that? Sometimes there's times where you see bags like that stay on the truck for like the whole street. That one was a bit slow to release. Oh, here we go on 144 again. Okay, that caught me off guard. It's completely naked on that side. I wonder if this driver's gonna spill anything. No, I've never seen this guy spill anything in Eric's videos. He's usually pretty good. Off it goes. Oh, we got 37048 on the other street now. Or other side of the street, rather. I guess I don't have much to say. I'm just watching the truck. $288. Another LNG Pete. Or is it? No, this is a CNG. Also seems kind of late for Erik Street. This truck's pretty nice too. I always have a Lake LA. You're welcome for watching, Erik. That was actually one of my favorite. Whoopsie daisy. Great, now I'm gonna have to re-record the whole thing. Probably. Anyways, like I was saying, that's probably my favorite video of yours, Erik. To be honest with you, I actually really enjoyed that video. A lot of violent slamming from the trucks, and a lot of good trucks. Good revving from the from 144. Of course, it's just the auto rev, but still, it sounds nice in my opinion. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna go. We're gonna switch into the other video now. So here we go. Boop. Okay, everybody. So we're back here. As I mentioned in my other part of the reaction series or video, I was asked to react to a segment of this video. I'm not sure what exactly happens in it, but if you wanted me to react to it, I assume there's something interesting. So, yeah, so I'm going to be reacting to this video from 11:35, which we're actually at 11:25 now, so I'm starting early, to 14 minutes and 4 seconds. So I'll just go to like 15 minutes. Why not? Here we go. truck is pretty soft, actually, with the lid whipping. Whoa! These are some big lines. Alright. So, yeah, that's some pretty big lines there. That truck actually sounded pretty good in my opinion. I don't know why he was like super violent with the one can. I don't want to make assumptions because might get the driver in trouble. But yeah, that was good. I like the lines on that. That was really good. And then the auto rev on LABOS sanitation trucks is so nice. I like it. It's like classic. And I assume that was an LNG elliptical. Well, it definitely wasn't a diesel. I would have known about that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Erik Alfaro Productions. He posts a whole bunch of stuff. He posts LABOS sanitation truck compilations. He posts videos of Pacific Harbor Line stack trains. I'm not sure all of you on AMREF Dude know what that is, but I definitely know on my other channel. He'll post a lot of stuff. Like, I've seen him post about walking in Griffith Park. So, yeah, there's something over there for everybody. Yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.